What's up guys, my name is John Stacks and today I'll be showing you guys 5 cars that have very minor damage but they still managed to make it to the salvage auction. The first car I want to show you guys is a 2017 Nissan GTR Nismo. At first this car might look like a great deal, but after doing some research I quickly changed my opinion. After discovering this car on Copart, I went on autoauctions.io to check the car's true history. And within 30 seconds, I could see this car was one I should avoid at all costs. Using autoauctions.io, I made 3 discoveries. First off, it was being sold by a third-party seller and not the insurance company. Secondly, this GTR has been auctioned more than 20 times. And the third and most important discovery I made, this GTR was sold 6 months ago by Geico and it used to look like this. This damage is no joke, and I know something as simple as a bumper cover and trunk can cover the majority of this damage. Whoever bought this car 6 months ago repaired it halfway and are trying to hide the actual structural damage of this GTR. I'm guessing that somebody just wants to make a quick profit by buying a crashed car, hiding most of the damage, and then relisting on auction, hoping to trick somebody into buying a bad car. On the bright side, this car is in excellent mechanical condition, it runs and drives, and it only has 7,000 miles. The second car I want to show you guys today is a 2014 Ferrari FF. This Ferrari has no damage other than a smashed window. You might be asking yourselves, why is this car at the salvage auction then? Well, this Ferrari was actually stolen and then recovered. Most likely the previous owner filed an insurance claim and got paid out. Then once the stolen car was found, it's now the insurance company's property. To minimize their losses, Farmers Insurance sold their Ferrari at the salvage auction. This car sold for $123,000 plus associated fees. And although that seems high, I want to remind you guys, this car has no damage other than the smashed window. A similar 2014 Ferrari FF with 6,000 miles is around $180,000. Essentially, the new owner saved $50,000 on a Ferrari FF. The third car I want to show you guys is a 2010 Nissan GTR. This GTR was sold by an insurance company, and unlike the 2017 GTR I showed you earlier in the video, this one is the original damage without any cover-ups. The only damage on this GTR is the rear quarter panel and the door. The current airbag deployed from the side impact as well. This GTR comes with many bonuses such as a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fenders, a carbon fiber trunk, an aftermarket exhaust, and upgraded wheels and tires. And I actually went to my local Copart yard to check this car out, and this is what it sounded like. This GTR sold for $29,000 at the auction. I checked the car value on Carfax and it's worth over $47,000. Keep in mind, the Carfax value factors in all the salvage records. What do you guys think? Was this a good deal? In my opinion, this was the best deal on the list. The fourth car on my list is a 2018 Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR. Before I get into the details, check it out. As you guys can see, the majority of the damage is at the door. Nothing else seems to be damaged, and most importantly, the engine and frame are in excellent condition. Although the damage beyond the door is not visible, it is very likely that the hinge pillar and door sill are damaged. I still can't believe that this minor damage totaled such an expensive car out. I would love to see the insurance appraisal. This GTR is worth a little over $122,000. That's because of the salvage history. Would you buy this car? Let me know down in the comment section below. The last car I wanted to show you guys today is a 2014 Ferrari California. I was at Copart one day and saw the Ferrari and I decided to check it out. This Ferrari had no visible damage, but there was a large scrape underneath. It was being sold by a dealer and not the insurance company. With just 9,000 miles and a clean title, I have no idea why a dealer was selling this car on Copart. The car had no mechanical damage and there was no check engine light. At just $75,000, this Ferrari was an absolute steal. I want to hear from you guys. Why do you think this Ferrari was being sold at the salvage auction? Let me know down in the comment section below. Open a kiss.
Do a quick rev.
So that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I want to hear feedback. Of the 5 cars I showed you guys today, which one do you think was the best deal and why? Let me know down in the comment section below. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.